Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today, we are going to be budgeting for January of 2025. I cannot believe that 2024 is over. It seems like it was a long year, but maybe it went slow. I don't know. It was 2024 was kind of crazy for me. So anyway, let's get into the budget. Just off the top of my head, I can't think of anything special that I have going on in January, but we'll see as we go through the budget. So if you notice, I do have a little extra money here in our next month category. I kind of raised it up just a little bit, and I probably won't mention why in this video, but I will let you guys know in another video. So let's go ahead and zero this out and get started. So for phone, we need $61. Internet, we need $126. For electricity, our bill hasn't come out for December yet because I'm recording this just a little bit early, but I do know we need to go ahead and add the money here. So we'll do 200. It brought it up to 602, which I know between December and January it's not going to be $600. It'll be a little bit less than that, but I don't know what it's going to be. So I will subtract whatever is left from here whenever both of those bills come out. For gas, we haven't really been going anywhere. We still have $202 here. So I think what I'm going to do is snooze the target. It's actually not giving me that option this time, but it's okay. I'm not going to put anything here because it's already $202 here and we don't have any plans to travel coming up. So we'll just leave that there. Water, last month it was $68, so we'll do $68.42. For car insurance, we need $138. So we added that there. There's actually an extra dollar, but it's okay. Life insurance, we need $35.13. And then here we have car payment. And there's $800 here. I'm going to go ahead and add another $400 here. And I will explain this in a separate video. But for now, we're just going to add car payment here, and we have $1,200. For my loans, they're back in forbearance. So I am not going to put any money here because we have the full amount there. My forbearance is over in either February or March. So until then, I'll leave the same $393 here. And then for CARES loans, his are in a repayment status because he is not taking any classes currently. So we'll go ahead and fill his category up. And I believe why I can't do the snooze option is because it's still December. I don't think you can snooze for the next month if you're still in the previous month. So that's probably what's going on there. Gym, we're not going to add anything there. Still has $9.99. We don't have any gym memberships. Don't know if we plan on getting any in January, but we'll figure that out then. Apple Music needs $37. Okay, so I think I want to edit this target because we've been putting extra money here because if you remember back when we first bought a house, we were paying extra towards the mortgage to shave some time off the end of the loan. And we did that for almost 2 years. And then for some reason, I can't even remember, we stopped. But I continued to put the same amount of money here in this category. But we have different priorities right now. So I think what I'm going to do is edit this target and put our actual mortgage amount, which is $1350.65. I'm going to put that as the monthly payment for a little while, and then if I decide I want to change it back, I will. So for this category, we just need $1350.65. Okay. And then home maintenance and repairs gets funded as we get paid. So that's good. Groceries is $100 a week. There's 4 weeks. So we need $400. Restaurants, we still have $40 there, but we are also still in December. So we're going to add the full $150 here. Okay. For spending, let's see. I don't have my iPad with me. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can do a random number generator on the computer since we're sitting here. Random number between 25 and 80. And the answer is 38. And if you notice, I have quite a bit of money here, but we have something with our insurance. When you go to the doctor and get preventative checkups done, you get $50 for each one. And women always have more preventative checkups than men. So I ended up getting $150 for my most recent doctor's appointments. So that's how I have so much money here, and I haven't transferred it into my spending money account. So yeah, that's why that money's there. So we'll do 38 here, and then we'll do 38 for care. I know he's going to be sad about the $38, but we do still have some money that we get for Christmas, so he'll be fine. And then hopefully in February, he'll get a good number. Okay, let's see. For household goods, we need 100. Miscellaneous, we need 200. Entertainment, we need 50. School, Kare's not taking any classes. I'm not taking any Spanish, so we'll just leave it at 400 for when either of us decides that we want to start back taking any type of classes. Personal care, we need $50. For Christmas account, we do $20 per week. So we need $100 for January. And we are currently at $1,179.55 left for our sinking funds, or the rest of our sinking funds. So let's see how we want to do this. I know we need to put more money into the treat yourself category. I would like to put more money into the medical expenses. Definitely need to bring the once per year up to $500 because some subscription, probably Amazon Prime, just came out, and reimbursements it needs to be at $100, but I'm waiting on a reimbursement from December, so it should be at that $100. And then, if you can tell, the new car category has significantly less money, but like I said, I mentioned that in a different video to let you guys know what's going on. So let's start with once per year. We know that we need $111.99 to bring that back to $500. And for anybody that's new here, that's just for subscriptions that I pay for once a year, like Ynab, Amazon Prime, anything that we pay for in full one time per year. And I just keep $500 there because typically none of our subscriptions are more than $500 or even close to that. So if I keep it there and refill it every time we use it, then I always have the money for the once per year things that we're going to forget about. And that includes like car registrations and everything too. Okay, so we have $1,000.67. We want to fill up the medical a little bit. Our goal here is our deductible because we are on a high deductible plan, but it's really hard to keep money in this category once you have to go to the doctor, you have to go here, you have to go there, you have to do this, you have to do that. So we're constantly adding money here, spending money, adding money, spending money, adding money, spending money. So I do want to add, maybe let's do 300 here. Okay, and then I'll do more either throughout the month or next month. Hopefully we don't need to use that. Car maintenance and repairs, I'm going to leave that where it is because that looks fine to me. Okay, treat yourself. We have $494. While we don't have any trips or anything fun besides Christmas planned, I do like to have about $1,000 in this one, just for if we need to have a random getaway or whatever. But I don't want to use $700 for this. I don't want to put the full $500 into this category for this time. And then also, while I'm just thinking out loud, I do want to get this new car category back to 10,000. Yeah, I want the balance to be at 10,000. So let's do 300 here for treat yourself, and then we'll do 300 here for new car, and we have $167.56 left. Let's go ahead and put that in the medical expenses so we can continue building that up. And then while I'm thinking about it, the Christmas account is going to go down to this $100 by the end of December, because that's the money that we've been saving all year to spend on our Christmas gifts and just to have Christmas money for ourselves. So when I come back in February, this account is going to just have the $100 from January. Just wanted to put that note here. So yeah, we'll just do plus 167.56. And all of our money is assigned. So I need to figure out what type of goals I want to have for 2025. And I think one of those goals is going to be adding more money to our emergency fund. We have 1 month of expenses in our emergency fund, but the reason why I'm okay with that is because we have so many sinking funds. We have extra money to pay our mortgage if we get into a bind. We have this money here. We have home maintenance and repairs money. We have money for medical expenses, car repairs. We have all these little categories in our budget that have money into it. So if you add those up, we have more than 1 month's worth of expenses. But in our savings category, I want to start building that up to, I guess the first target would be 2 months of expenses. So I think that's what I'm going to work on in the first half of 2025. But I will keep you guys posted and let you know what we decide. So this is our January budget. Of course, we're going to make some adjustments throughout the month, but this is what it looks like right now. So leave a comment below. Let me know if you've already budgeted for January, and let me know how your 2024 went. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.